In front of me is a BUSH Spira B5, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through the recovery mode and remove a screen lock in the process. So let me just first lock the device. You can see that there is a screen lock, and I'm going to proceed from here as though I don't know it. So number one, we want to shut off the device. So hold power key and select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we're then going to hold power key and volume down. So power, volume down, with those keys at the same time. And you'll see the boot mode. So from here, you'll use a volume down key to navigate and volume up to confirm. And you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode. You just press volume down, and there we go. Now it's selected with the arrow, and you want to press volume up, confirm, and we should soon after be in the recovery mode. So before we actually enter recovery mode, we need to get past this. So hold power key and tap volume up once, like so, and we're now in the recovery. And in here you want to use both volume keys to navigate. So volume down goes down and up goes up, and power key will be used to confirm. And you want to select wipe data factory reset, power key to confirm it, and then once more select yes, delete all user data, and confirm it with power key. Now this should take just a moment. As you see, data wipe complete, and reboot system now should be selected by default, so press power key once more and the device will now reboot. Now it will continue the process in the background, and once it's back on, we should then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.